How to make Snapchat account public from private. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen, which will open your profile. Click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here and click on View My Story. Click on it. After that, make it Friends Only. Then go back and click on Contact Me. Make sure it's Friends and Contact, which is the second option. Just click on it. After it's selected, go back and click on Activity Indicator in here. Turn Activity Indicator as well. After that, go back and then click on Comment Settings. Make sure it's Auto Approve Everyone, which is the last option. After that, go back and click on Public Profile. After you click on it, you can add anything to your public profile. If you click on pencil-like icon at the top right, and if you click on Settings, you'll find Settings or Profile Settings. You can edit anything from here. And this is how to make Snapchat account public from private. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.